Jai Bharat, all my dear Advaitians. How are you all? Hope you all are following the videos well and getting the concepts clearly. Children, in our previous videos, we have finished discussing till the C4 pathway. In this segment, we will be comparing the C3 and C4 plants on the basis of few characters, right? So let us begin comparing the C3 and C4 plants, right? So we'll make up 3 columns considering the characters C3 plants and C4 plants. Alright. So the first character that we are going to compare on is the CO2 acceptor. Children, if you will be able to remember this at the end when we finish discussing, if you are able to remember this, it will help you to solve many of the MCQs much faster, right? So try to remember these points very well, okay? Fine. So the carbon dioxide acceptor. Now if we recall the C3 plants, the C3 cycle, right, we know that it is RUBP, ribulose biphosphate, the 5-carbon compound, right, who is going to accept the carbon dioxide. Whereas in case of C4 plants, right, we have to talk about 2 cells. Remember here, 2 cells, right? Mesophyll cells में कौन accept कराया था और bundle sheath cells में, अगर याद हो. So it was PEP in case of mesophyll cells, right? It was in the form of that bicarbonate ion, अगर याद है, right? और जब मैलिक एसिड बन चुका था और वो बंडल शीथ सेल्स में डिफ्यूज हुआ, उसमें से एक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अलग हो गया और मैलिक एसिड बन गया पायरुविक एसिड. तो वो जो एक कार्बन अलग हुआ था वो बंडल शीथ सेल में किसने एक्सेप्ट किया? RUBP ने, क्योंकि वहां पे C3 साइकिल चलनी थी. तो अगेन हियर RUBP इन केस ऑफ bundle sheath cells, right? So this was the first character. The next we can compare them on is the first stable compound formed. The first stable compound formed, right? So the first stable compound formed in case of the C3 plants, जिसकी वजह से हम उसको C3 cycle बोल रहे हैं, correct? That is PGA phosphoglycerate. PGA, that is phosphoglycerate, correct? And this is a 3-carbon compound, correct? In case of C4 plants, it is oxaloacetic acid, correct? So we'll write that oxaloacetic acid, and we know it is a 4-carbon compound, and hence we are calling it C4 plants or C4 pathway, right? Okay. The next thing on which we can compare them, the third point, that is the types of chloroplast. Now in case of C3 plants, we know they don't have any agranule kind of, they have only granule chloroplast. So granule in mesophyll cells, right? So granule chloroplasts कहाँ पे? In mesophyll cells, right? Whereas we know in case of C4 plants there is that different arrangement, right? They have Granule are present where? In the mesophyll cells, and A granule in the bundle sheath cells. Right? Okay. Next, we will compare them, right, on the, say, cycle or cycles. What do I mean by this? Now C3 plants के अंदर हमने देखा है only C3 cycle takes place, whereas C4 pathway में हमने देखा कि C4 and C3 both cycles are taking place. Hence I have taken up this point, correct? So only C3 cycle, whereas in C4 plants C4 and C3 cycle. यहाँ पे भी मैंने C4 पहले इसलिए लिखा क्योंकि पहले 4 कार्बन कंपाउंड बन रहा है, इसलिए, ठीक है? ओके. नाउ साइट ऑफ C3 साइकिल वो भी डिफर कर रही है इन लोगों में, हाँ, इन दोनों चीजों में. Now C3 प्लांट्स में हम जानते हैं इट इज इन मेसोफिल सेल्स. Whereas in case of C4 plants, right, C3 cycle कहाँ पे हो रही है? Mesophyll में नहीं हो रही है. It is taking place in the bundle sheath cells, right? So here we have to write in bundle sheath cells. Clear? Okay. Then comes the next point of temperature, optimum temperature. Okay. So the optimum temperature for C3 plants is 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. Whereas in case of C4 plants, it is 30 degrees. Yeah? Okay. Now, then number of ATP is required for synthesis of one glucose molecule. ठीक है? Number of ATP required for synthesis of one glucose molecule. Right? We have done this calculation and when we have studied both the processes towards the end. So we know that in case of C3, it is 18 ATP required, and in case of C4, it is 30 ATP. These are which are required for synthesis of what? One glucose molecule, right? And the last point of difference that we can still take up is the enzymes that participate in both the cycles. Okay, so the last point we take is enzymes. In case of C3 plants, it is only Rubisco, right? So we'll write only Rubisco. Whereas in case of C4, we know first it is Pepco. First it is Pepco, and then it is, for C3, it is Rubisco. So Pepco plays its role in the mesophyll cells. Rubisco plays its role in the bundle sheath cell, right? So children, these are the points. Now sometimes the questions do come in where who or what is the first carbon dioxide acceptor in C4 plants? or in C3 plan. So in such manner questions will come, and if you are clear with all this, if you are able to retain this, you will be able to answer those questions pretty fast, right? So these are the points of comparison of C3 and C4 plans. Hope you guys have followed this well, and thank you. Jai Bharat.